Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock OnePlus Nord CE 5 without the password. Alright, we have two methods how we can do it. We have option through the recovery mode, and we can also use the Find Hub. But for the Find Hub, which I'm going to show you as a first method, let's pretend that this phone isn't locked, because basically we need to repeat that process on other device, because this one will be locked. But I'll show you how to do it on this phone. So we need to open up our Google Chrome. We need to visit Find Hub. We also need to log in into the same Google account on which we were logged in on our OnePlus. Now we need to click on OnePlus Nord CE5, but it won't appear this option, so I'll show you on the OnePlus Nord 5. Click on the settings button, and here on the bottom we have factory reset OnePlus Nord 5. Simply click on that, then type password to your Google account, and you will be able to factory reset this device remotely. Also, if you want to use the Find Hub, your device needs to have this option enabled, in the settings. This option is called Allow this phone to be found. It can be enabled in the settings. If it's not enabled, don't worry, we always have the recovery mode option. So click on factory reset, follow the instruction on the screen, and yeah, follow the instruction. And now for the second method, let's use this phone right now, so we don't need to use other device to unlock it. Also remember that you will lose all of your data in both cases, so remember about it, that you will lose all of your data. So if you don't have a backup, that's bad, because you won't be able to restore the chats. Alright, so for the first method, I'm using this device, this Oppo, and now let's power it off. Let's click power button and volume up button to launch the power menu. Grab this white ball and put it on the power off. Release your finger. Now the device is turned off. And now, how to get access into the recovery mode. We need to use a two button combination. We need to hold power button and volume down button until the recovery mode is launched. So keep holding both of the buttons. OnePlus logo appeared, but keep holding until we get in the recovery mode. Okay, and here we are. And now select your language. You can use volume keys and power button to move around this menu. We move around using volume keys, and we confirm the selected option by clicking the power button, but we can always use the fingers. Let's select format data. And now type this code, and also only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical. Okay, now click on format. Click on OK. Okay, and now within a second our device will be automatically turned on, and the next thing we need to do is to set up this device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.